Hi everyone. This is Binary Trading Academy. Let's talk binary option. So here we're just looking for people who want to understand binary option and people who want to get an understanding between the binary option and forex. What is the difference? So we just enter you to the binary industry world. So I welcome everyone who's watching this. I think you have taken a very important step, a very first step to your success. This is part of the opportunities that are now available at our information age of online opportunities that you can capture. So my name is Mr. Ntando Makoba. I'm one of the directors of Binary Trading Academy. Our purpose is to introduce people to binary and teach them the strategies and provide them with mentorship and also provide them with signals. So you can choose from a variety if you want to visit our website. It's www.binarytradingacademy.com or .co.za, it doesn't matter. So if you visit our website, you can either use your cell phone device or you can use a tab. Using your laptop is the same. Just go to our website. You'll be able to get more further information about the institution. But let me just take you through our slides. Binary Trading Academy is just a registered and private institution which is registered to teach people about binary option. We are the first company in South Africa that teach people about binary. So believe it or not, we are the first institution to provide such a service. We teach people how to trade binary option in the financial market. And our vision as a company, we want to actually create a multi-income stream for everyone. This is just a good demonstration that most of the people you find them that they have a lot of expenses that they have to cover, basic expenses that you cannot avoid, like your phone, food, your car rental and housing. But you have one stream of income. So our purpose as a company, our vision is to create other stream of income, which is gonna be trading binary, or you having signal with binary, but you're just opening another tab so that it can balances with your expenses, your general expenses. You can see by demonstration of this picture. As a company, we also have a vision. So how we're gonna achieve that of giving people other stream of income? We're gonna achieve it by introducing people to binary trading so that they can improve their financial freedom. Let me just first give you the history of binary option. Binary option has been a form of trading that was there before this particular years, but it was not formalized or it was not licensed until 2007, where there was a commission, which you can still search it on the internet, which is called Option Clearing Commission, which then recommended that this form of trading, which is a binary option, must be available and free available to retail traders or to normal people. So they went through their recommendation and went through different processes up until 2008, where in 2008 an institution called US Security and Exchange Commission actually approved their proposal. So in 2008, that's where the approval or the license was obtained that every retail traders can start trading binary option. So this is just a basic history of binary option. The institution that I have mentioned, you can just visit them, their website. You can just search for US Security and Exchange Commission. You will find them, what is their purpose, what is their objective, so that you can find more information regarding the history of binary. So in 2008 is a very important year for binary option because that's where the actual license was obtained. Let's then explain the definition, why they call it binary option. We're gonna start with binary and we're gonna start with option. But with binary is just a simple English word. That when you talk about binary, it's just relating to or involvement of two things. And then when you talk about option, when you buy an option, it's a financial term that you actually sign a contract, or you have a contract that's gonna give you a right to buy or sell any asset at a specific price. for a specific date. So when you have a contract and then that contract say that at this particular date, which is a future date, you have the right to buy this particular asset. It can be any asset, it can be index commodities, it can be index, it can be commodities that you want to buy at a specific time. So what I can make a specific example. If you are on the example that I'm gonna make, is that if I am signing a contract that I wanna buy oil in 2 months to come, but I want to buy oil at this particular price, it means I have an option because I have an asset, I have a commodity which is oil at this particular time, the type of asset that I have, and I have a specific time that is 2 months, and I have a specific amount that I want to buy a tank of oil for $10,000. So it means after 2 months, in my example, whatever the price is gonna be at that particular time, it means people who wanna buy oil after 2 months, whatever the price is gonna be, I'm gonna be the only one who gonna have a contract to buy it at this particular time. Therefore, it means I've obtained an option. So it's depending on that after 2 months whether my tank of oil is it below 10,000 that I've signed a contract it or is above. If it's below 10,000, it means I'm losing it because I have a contract that's gonna require me to buy more than the market price. It means I'm losing than the person who waited for 2 months and buy it at this particular time of 2 months. But if the price is above $10,000 in my example, and in 2 months I'm the only person who got an option to buy the tank of oil for $10,000, this means people who are gonna buy it maybe for 15 or 20 in 2 months to come, they're actually in the law. I'm actually making a profit because I'm saving that difference between the market price and the price that I signed a contract. So there's basically what we call an option. So those are just definition, a basic definition to understand why they call it a binary option. In this case, we don't actually have a contract, you just have an electrical transaction that you make with the broker. That I want at this particular time, I want to buy this at this price, regardless the price is gonna be on future. Now let's look at the benefits and the cost of trading binary option compared to classical forex. On binary option, you can choose any broker. There's no broker that charge commission or spread. So if you're trading with $10, you're gonna put $10. Either you're gonna win or you're gonna lose. No broker will charge you a commission like a classical forex. People who have traded forex, they know that every broker and every pairs that you trade, it has different commission and spread that is being charged. That is the first advantage about binary. There is no charge, there's no spread, there's no commission. With binary option is available 24 hours including the weekends. On weekend you can actually trade binary option. As you know, on forex, the market open on Monday, it closes on Friday. So on weekend they don't trade on weekend. But you found that in actual time, how many people who actually got time to trade during the day? There are very few people. Most of the people, they are working. Most of the people, they are studying. Most of the people, they are running businesses. So you found that in terms of availability of trading, they actually find time in the afternoon and mostly in weekends. That's where they find, especially people who are working. So you can join binary option because it's also open on weekend. Or even if you are, you've been busy during the week, and then you got time on weekend, it's very advantageous to trade binary option because the option are always open 24 hours including the weekend. And with trading option, when you place a trade, you indicate how long your trade is. You're starting from 60 seconds to a month. Some traders, they have even up until a day trade. But every trade you place, there's an expiration time. What does it mean? It means you must set your expiration time that I'm predicting that the market's gonna go up or down, and I'm expecting that it's gonna go up after 60 seconds. So after 60 seconds, depending on the investment that you have put, is actually gonna give you the result. It's not like forex where you place a trade. If you predict it's gonna go up, and you wait until it's sitting at your desired profit and you close the trade. And you know with forex you can never know when it's gonna start making profit or when it's gonna hit your take profit. But here you know that if you set expiration time of 2 minutes, after 2 minutes you know your story. The results come out, whether you have make it or you have lose it. So it's up to you what time you want to set, but that's most advantage that you have expiration time. So you can actually increase your expiration time or decrease your expiration time. Moving along, the other advantage about binary option, you open your account from $10 here, not like forex. Forex, we know that most of the account is you start opening from 250. So $10 is like 133 rand or 120 rand depending on exchange rate. So what does it mean? It means actually that money that you normally spend on Nando's or buying any lunch, you can actually invest it and start having a knowledge, because practice makes perfect. So all this money that you normally disappear or you normally spend, whether you spend it on booze or you're spending on unnecessary things, you can actually invest it here. It's just 133 rand that you can start testing whether this thing is working or not. Because some people they doubt whether is this thing working or not, or I don't know, I don't have experience. Come on, it's just 133 rand. 133 rand, you can start opening a live account, you practice it, you perfect it. And another thing about binary option, moving along, is that profit you know in advance, which you're gonna see when you go along. How do you see your profit in advance? Here it's very easy, it's quicker to make money. Why are you saying it's quicker to make money? Because you can, every time you trade, you can have an expiration time of this 60 seconds. It means after 60 seconds, you can put $100 and make $90 if it's 90% the return. So you can make $90 within 60 seconds. So it's very quick, which is unlikely on forex, because you know forex, when you place a trade, it's normally start from negative and then it takes time depending on how the volatility of the market moves to your direction. Then you start making money. So what do I need if I want to start trading binary? What you need a laptop, you need a connection to internet, you need a strategy, but a winning one. You need a mentor, which is I'm available myself as a mentor, and you need to practice. Practice make perfect. Out of or in terms of the devices, we recommend laptop, because with laptop you can actually, everything is much clear, and with laptop, especially with IQ, you can able to easily cancel the trade if you place a trade by mistake, or if you can see your trade are losing. So we highly recommend laptop, but doesn't mean you cannot trade with using your cell phone or tablet. But it's just our recommendation as Binary Trading Academy. So these are the actual steps of trading binary. You select your asset. There should be another step here in this slide which they have missed. That after you select your asset, there must be an expiration time. You must set your expiration time, and you predict, and you put your amount, and then you collect your winnings. It's very simple. With Binary Trading Academy, we have two training programs that we have. The first one that we have is training program of 1,600. With 1,600, these are the things that you receive. We just give you an understanding of all the indicators. Then after you understand all the indicators, it's up to you to make a choice which one you actually want to choose. And then another thing that you're going to benefit if you are in this program is that you will understand the price movement, which is a price action. We give you certain type of price action, because there are a lot of price action, but we stick on the one that you're going to give to you, because there are a lot of them. There are dojis, hammer. Actually, there are a lot of them if I can count them, but we actually do what we call a 3 candles price action movement. So we're going to provide you, you're going to understand it when we're doing it as, so that you can stick to those candles and perfect it and understand it. We're going to give you a one-on-one strategy, and we're going to teach you how to combine the news with indicators and price action, so that at the end of the day, you are not using a strategy or using an indicator and you are being affected by the news. So it's either, we're going to tell you, it's either you're trading with the news, or you just wait for a news to do a correction of what it has done, the publication. So that was the first program. The second program that we have is advanced trading and mentorship. This program is like 2 months. You pay 10,000. Out of your 10,000, we take 5,000. You fund your own account. We give you money management. We give you supporting materials, and we're gonna be assisting you everything that you want for 2 months. Anything that you want for 2 months, we're gonna be your mentor. We're gonna be in contact. We're gonna communicate with all form of communication that you want to that is suitable for you. And most of the people, they don't know that in binary there's also a stop loss. So we're gonna teach you. If you are in under advanced trading, we teach you how to do a stop loss. We give you tips how to deal with your fatigue and your emotions. We teach you about the time frame of our candlesticks, and you also join what we call a trading live club members. You become a club member of Trading Live. We normally have a session where we normally meet on Saturday through a webinar or a conference call, and then we all trade together. It means we place one trade all together. We're using one strategy for that particular weekend. So you can actually, with the trading club members, you can actually mostly when we meet, which is normal on Sunday, you can actually make a lot of money depending on how much you invested. But we normally make a serious money because there the chances of losing the trade is very slight because we are trading as a group. We are using one strategy. There's no emotion involved, and it's like you are trading at the same time you are improving yourself because in trading it's continuous learning. Every week we come with a different strategy, and we stick to that strategy. We trade together. Anyone can say let's enter this trade based on this strategy. And we have what we call a partnership program. Partnership program, we want to create more opportunities. We indicated in the beginning of the slides that as a company we want to create other streams of income for people. So we have also what we call, if you're saying, okay, for now I don't have money to start your program, guys, to teach me how to trade, but I can do your partnership program, which is like a network marketing. Here you just bring one person and you make money for a commission, a referral commission for bringing people. If you bring people for trading cost of 1.6, you actually receive 500 for each person. If you bring a person to join an advanced program and mentorship, you're gonna receive 1,000 for that person. So you can see it's a volume-based business. The more you bring people, the more you're gonna get paid. And how does it work? Your person must first fully pay the program. This means if a person wants to join a training program of 1.6, the person must first pay the full 1.6, and then after we receive 1.6, because when he deposits or he make a EFT, he must make you as a referral that I was referred by this person. Once we fully receive the 1.6, then that's where you can provide us with your banking details, and then we're gonna actually pay you the commission for every person you bring. If you bring in 100 people for 1.6 course, you can actually make 50,000 if it's happened that you bring 100 people. If you bring 100 people to do advanced and mentorship program, you can make up 200. You can see you can make 100,000 for bringing. So there's a power of here. If it's accumulated, it's a volume based. It's a network marketing. The more you can actually bring people, make a referral, you can make as many money that you can make even when you are not even trading at all. So this is a great opportunity, guys, that you are providing for you. That you say that instead of saying I don't have money now, I'll sit around. You can actually fundraise money by bringing a lot of people to our programs. And to make like 500,000 for 1,000 for advanced and mentorship program, we just need to bring 500 people, and it's possible to bring 500 people a year. It's just a cumulative effect where you can just bring maybe 10 people every month, 20 people. You can actually achieve 500 within a year, which can be up to 500,000. Obviously, you will not get your 500,000 at the same time, but it's gonna be a cumulative amount. And remember, guys, success is requires small steps that are done every day. It requires discipline. You cannot achieve big things if you are still failing to do small things. So start with the small things, and it's growing big. So, guys, that's actually the end of our presentation with our slogan saying, let's talk binary and let's make money online. If you have any further question, you can contact us through www.binary trading academy, or you can actually call me at 078 738 6141. It's 078 738 6141. It's either you call me or just WhatsApp me. You can also check me on Instagram, it's Dando Makoba, and also on Facebook, it's Dando Makoba. Thank you so much.